This video will show you how to add a service to RepairDesk. To add a new service, we're first going to open up RepairDesk and click the Items section on the left-hand menu. From here, we can click on Add Item and then click on Add Services. We'll get a list of fields that we can enter. And if we click here, we get a more detailed page. Enter the service name and select the vertical. Then select the brand, and then select the model for that brand. You can enter a description as well. Clicking on pricing, we can adjust the retail price, the promotional price, and the tax class. Additional info allows us to set the warranty and the average job time. And in Link Repair Parts, we can select a repair part that goes with the service. When we're done, click Save. And there we go. Our new service is created. And that's how you can create a service in RepairDesk.